Hey, do it scholars, Coach Ortiz here. This week's lesson, we're going to be doing rolling skills. So we're going to be using round objects. So if you have a ball at home, I'm going to have tennis balls. If you don't have a ball at home, you can roll up a sock, and you can use a sock demonstrating the rolling skills. Okay, so get you a ball. It could be a small one, it could be a big one. You can use a basketball if you wanted to. Okay, get something that will roll on the ground as you demonstrate the rolling skill. All right, boys and girls. Now, Coach for the students is going to demonstrate Monday's lesson. Okay, he's going to roll. He's going to use his right hand first. So his left leg is going to step forward. He's going to take his right arm back behind him, and then he's going to release the ball low to the ground as it rolls to the object. If you're left-handed, it's going to be the opposite direction. Okay, you're going to step, and then you're going to release with your left hand. Okay, and your right. Notice Coach's right foot goes forward. All right, Coach, let's demonstrate. Good job. And then another thing for your target you can get a bucket like this. Okay, I'm going to use my 2 tennis balls, and I'm going to demonstrate. Again, my right arm goes back, my left foot will go forward. I will roll the ball to the bucket. Okay. If I'm left-handed, my right foot will go forward, my left hand will go back as I step forward, as I roll. Let's try this, see if we make it.